Hi, my name is Jeff Gallimore. I'm the Chief Technology and Innovation Officer and a co-founder at Excella. Many organizations, including enterprises and federal agencies, have structured their IT shops along functional lines. There's dev, there's ops, there's QA, there's security, there's analysis, there's PMO. And because these organizations are structured this way, they've also acquired services to match the structure. This creates what is effectively a collection of functional silos requiring handoffs from functional team to functional team for work to flow through the system to the point where it can provide value. The Lean movement teaches us that handoffs are a form of waste and we should seek to eliminate them when we find them. This concept also gave birth to the DevOps movement over 10 years ago, bringing down the historical wall between dev and ops. But if organizing by functional silos isn't the way to get the best results, what's the alternative? If we really want to optimize flow, instead of having work pass through a series of functional silos to get done, reorganize teams to be cross-functional, where they have everything they need within the team. There are no handoffs of work to people outside the team. The team owns everything, the entire value stream, from aha to ka-ching, from the genesis of the idea to the delivery of value. This includes having teams that developed a system to also have responsibility for running that system in production. Werner Vogels, the CTIO of Amazon, had a pithy way of expressing this philosophy. He said, "You build it, you run it." The teams in this approach would be called feature teams or product teams. The book Team Topologies by Matthew Skelton and Manuel Pais calls these teams stream-aligned teams because, as their name implies, they are aligned to a value stream. The book also describes three other kinds of teams: enabling teams, complicated-subsystem teams, and platform teams. Now, from the book, an enabling team is composed of specialists in a given technical or product domain, and they help bridge any capability gaps in the stream-aligned teams. For example, an enabling team might be a group of coaches assigned to stream-aligned teams to work with them for a time to help them improve. A complicated subsystem team is responsible for building and maintaining a part of the system that depends heavily on specialist knowledge, to the extent that most team members must be specialists in that area of knowledge in order to understand and make changes to the subsystem. Examples of complicated subsystems might include a computer vision model for satellite imagery or a component that incorporates actuarial logic. The purpose of a platform team is to enable stream-aligned teams to deliver work with substantial autonomy. For example, a platform team might enable stream-aligned teams to create and manage their own cloud infrastructure rather than submitting a ticket for someone else to create it for them. Organizations must give careful thought to how they structure their teams and contracts to optimize flow, the delivery of value, and accountability. Lean, DevOps, and the book, Team Topologies, are great sources of information to inform those structural decisions.